Batch M31 Poly-007A confirmed.
Verified.
Coordinates confirmed for the pallet transfer.
Acknowledged. Crane engaging vacuum seal.
The interior check confirms the material's composition and directs it towards Pros A. Initiating.
The newly rough-cut polycarbonate blank is smoothly lifted by a vacuum gantry system and transferred towards
The integrity check confirms air management material readiness. The polymer blank is conditioned for immediate transfer.
Check the thermal imaging on sector gamma. We're showing 8 to 5 degrees.
System is managing the gradient well. Integrity check passed.
The trimmed Canopy shell enters the pressurized vapor cleaning chamber, where ionized gas and plasma jets meticulously.
The large, curved polycarbonate Canopy shell is mounted in a vacuum deposition chamber, where the first layer of high
The canopy undergoes a final structural integrity scan using high-frequency.
Robotic arms perform the final fit checks on the canopy sealing module, ensuring structural integrity before the pressure test. Automated probes perform a complex resistance and continuity check on the integrated defog heating elements, verifying the circuit's flawless operation. The sealing system is moved into the environmental chamber for high-altitude simulation. The chamber doors seal, rapidly dropping the temperature.
Visual integrity confirmed on product B.
Manifold secure.
The specialized polymer tubing is gently positioned into the precisely machined groove. The complex curves match.
Polarity confirmed.
Continuity checks out, we're good here.
Initiating low pressure cycle. Monitor gauge 3.
Pressure stable at 0.4. Integrity confirmed.
The integrated defog heating elements are activated, and the canopy is chilled to induce localized condensation.
Check. Canopy seal integrity.
Nominal. Product B secure.
Air hose connected. Ready for pressurization run.
Ground control, the pressure cycle is complete. Sealing system, pneumatic valves are fully responsive and holding steady. The system is fully operational.
The heating elements show no degradation.
Integrity check passed. The system is fully operational.
Check the alignment on the port side sensor.
Looks good. Torque to specifications.
Canopy integrity check. Pressure and air management systems fully nominal. Defog system B maintaining equilibrium.
At supersonic speeds, the integrity check confirms the internal sealing system, product B, absorbs the immense pressure load.
Integrity check on product B complete. No leaks detected.
Copy that. Operational verification successful.
The bore scope inspection confirms the integrity of product B. The matte black tubing shows no signs of stress.
Zero leaks, perfect defog capability.
This is the defog wiring harness. Ensure the connections are stable to the mount.
The pressure atmospheres?
Excellent.
The global deployment of these specialized sealing modules is crucial for the operational readiness of the MiG-31 fleet worldwide.
Subjected to immense lateral stress, the system maintains absolute pressure integrity. Product B showcasing reliable performance under combat conditions.
The integrated air management system in Product B ensure the pilot remains pressurized, keeping the canopy perfectly clear for high-altitude interception.